What's up, guys? So in this video what I'm gonna do is do some bit of refactoring to our existing code. Okay, so let's see. Let me come to my PHP storm. Now my controllers are inside the HTTP folder, but I would ideally want them to be moved inside the modules. So why don't we do one thing? Inside events we'll have HTTP. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not file. HTTP controllers, and then we'll have events controller. Okay, now one thing which I'm changing is previously as per the generation of controllers it is a singular thing, but I want this to be events controller, so that's done. And then I'll first remove this, I don't need that. And so our namespace is add module events HTTP controllers. All right, the class is events controller, extends controller. That's it. Now what I will do is take everything here, paste it here. Okay, there will be quite a few use statements, so what we will do is just copy this, okay, and paste it here. So we have our new controller, which is the events controller, right? We have changed the namespace, okay, and we don't need this anymore, so let us remove this. Okay, and then let's go to our routes file. So this is web.php. Okay, now this is going to change, right? This will not work, so why don't we create events controller equals what it is going to be inside double brackets app modules events HTTP controllers and events controller. Okay, this is the variable which I'll be using. And okay, let's see. So this will be changing to events controller, right? Okay, and same goes for all of them. So I'll just quickly change that and come back. Okay, so I have made all the changes, and only one thing, this should be event, and just everything is correct. So I think we should be able to see everything working. Yes, it does. So I can see the listing. I can go here. Okay, and let me try an event as well. So this is a dummy event. I can add some description in here as well. So I'll paste this and New Delhi. Okay, so let us save that. Okay, so the date is a past date, and that's why it is coming up in the past event. So that's fine. But the most of the things are working. Let's quickly ensure that using our PHP unit as well. Yes, all the tests are passing, which means the refactor is working. So yeah, I wanted to kind of make everything inside the events, and hence this refactoring. And in the next video what I'm going to do is also introduce the repository pattern in here so that most of our queries which are right now in the controller start you know moving into the repositories, and our controllers become very lean and up to the point. So thanks for watching, guys.